Hello, I'm Lilla Mészáros, engineering manager from Snyk, and I'm here today at the Unleash Atlassian conference in Berlin. Today, I'm going to demo you how Atlassian and Snyk integrated to unify security and development teams across enterprises. But before jumping on the demo, let me quickly walk you through how development changed with security and what do we do at Snyk. After that, I will walk you through how Snyk and Atlassian collaborated in this new integration. Over the past couple of years, the development practices have changed. However, the security tools haven't. Snyk founders recognized this gap and that the need that the developers have to deal with increased numbers of securities, and the scope changed as well. Developers are developing and deploying much faster, and for that, they are using third-party code like open source or container images. However, it introduces a risk. So how to stay secure in such case? And why we want to be efficient? We need to empower developers by providing them guidance and visibility across the entire software supply chain, which includes cloud too. A new approach is needed. Dev-first security. Sometimes you hear that shifting left. However, it is missing the whole picture, changing the culture and responsibilities. It is not enough that we need to test after the development. We need to do continuous testing. And when we found the security issues, it is not enough to just list them, but we need to fix them. We need to fix it pretty quickly. And we need a holistic full view of entire application from code, open source, through the cloud, which is secured. Fortunately, Snyk Developer Security Platform brings all these capabilities together, giving full visibility and security for the entire cloud-native application, empowering developers to learn about and handle security within those tools what they are already using. We are developing our products to work together seamlessly. So developers, DevOps engineers, or for example, AppSec can have a single view of their security posture. And this platform is backed by our cutting-edge Snyk security intelligence, our people, artificial intelligence, and the best application security database. So how does this platform work through the software supply chain? Right from the beginning, preferred source code management integration through development with your chosen IDE, code review, test, and deployment. And once you deploy it to the cloud, you will have a view of the running application too. And even if you find an issue there, you will have a chance to go back, feedback it to the developers, who will be able to triage, prioritize their fixes in their configuration. With this, Snyk has the whole scope of your application all the way to the cloud and back to the code. We partnered up with Atlassian to bring Snyk best application security data to the Jira issues list page. With this integration, we not only improve the collaboration between the app security and developer teams, but giving them the toolset in the Jira to triage and prioritize security issues easily. Through the implementation, our teams were using Jira and Confluence to speed up the async communication and expose both sides progress. And here another great integration by amazing teams collaboration to help developers to stay secure. So once you are in the Jira issues list page, you will be able to onboard to Snyk and either create a Snyk account or use your existing Snyk account. Have your SCM integration ready and import project for security scanning. Once it is done, you will land on the Jira issues list page where you will have all the securities which are coming from your configured targets. So here you can see there's 12 targets configured and all the vulnerability issues which is associated to them. You will have an opportunity to filter based on security project, severity, status, and Jira issue status as well. And of course, for every vulnerability, you will be able to create a Jira issue or link a vulnerability to a Jira issue which already exists. And if you would open up a Jira issue, you will have all the necessary details from the vulnerability. Why is it created? How it got introduced? And what's the score behind that? As you can see on the right-hand side, the Jira issue is linked with this vulnerability issue. I would like to show you how we vision the future at Snyk. We would like to have a feature which is auto-creating Jira issues. You will be able to pick a label, for example, exploit maturity, an operator for that, like it is matching, and of course, adding some condition there. On the new Jira, on the new project list page, you will have an overview of your project and target, with more granularity over your target security issues, and selecting one to understand better the vulnerabilities of it. So on the right-hand side, you see that it is an extension where you will have an insight of the exploit and with the associated Jira ticket. App securities will be able to manage their assigned teams projects in the new report page, where they will be able to triage, advise based on it, and prioritize the work for the developer teams. Early access to the Snyk security for Jira software starts today. Don't forget to sign up and stay secure.